Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to find the topics to make videos or the content for your YouTube channel. Okay, so whenever you have a YouTube channel, you will be confused, or whenever you want to start your YouTube channel, you will be confused like where I can find the content, how to get the topics, and how to make the videos. Okay, so in order to make the videos or the content, the first thing which you need is the topic. Okay, so when you have the right topic for your niche, you will be definitely able to make the videos or the content. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you one of the tricky way or one of the website where you can find the topics to make videos or the content for your YouTube channel. Okay, so once the video is created or once the content is ready, you can upload that on your YouTube channel or wherever you want to upload it if you want to make your career or if you want to be a content creator. Okay, so let's get started. So for that, what you can do is like you can just go to the google.com and here you can type answer sockets. Okay, so once you type answer Socrates and once you search here, you can see the first option answersocrates.com. Okay, so click on this particular website or the link answer Socrates. So once you click on that, it will take you to the page where it will ask you to the sign in. Okay, so there you need to enter your email ID. Okay, so you can also sign up through your Google account. If you want to use any other email ID, you can just enter your email ID. And once you enter your email ID, it will ask you to verify that particular email ID. For example, if you have entered any email ID, you need to go to that particular inbox for that particular email ID and click on that particular option that you want to sign in to answer Socrates. Okay, so once you click on that sign in option, it will take you this particular page. So where you can enter the topic. Okay, so for example, if you enter any topic, okay, so for example, if I press or if I type Google, okay, so here I want the topics related to the Google. Okay, for example, there are so many Google products like the Gmail, GPay, Google Maps, and so many other different products like Google Sheets and Google Slides. There are so many different Google products. Okay, for example, uh, there are so many products like Google Search, Google Maps, YouTube, Google News, Gmail, Google Meet, Google Drive, Google Chat, and all. Okay, so here if I type Google and here you need to select your particular country from which country you are using it. Okay, so I will select India since I am basically from India, and here you can select the language, whichever the language you want, the topics. Okay, so once you click on search, it will take you to this particular page. Okay, so here you can see people also asked for the Google web search, Google account, Google map, Google mail. So as I already told you, there are so many Google products. So these are all the related topics with respect to the Google. Okay, so here I have typed Google. So here you can see around 240 questions related to the Google. Okay, are Google can Margai, are Google Pixel phones good? And the topics related to the can I Google Translate a PDF, can I Google Pay using credit card? So here you can see can Google talk to me, and there are some questions related to how do Google auto complete the search, and there are some questions related to how Google works, how Google earn money, and should I, so what, should, when, and where is, where, and okay, so here you can see around 240 questions with respect to the Google. Okay, so this is how you can find the topics with respect to this particular website. Once you type any topic, for example, if I search, if I change this topic to this YouTube. Okay, so there are so many content creators, they make the videos with respect to the YouTube. Like they will give the YouTube tips like how to grow on YouTube, how to get the views on YouTube, and how to increase the subscribers, and how to create the videos, and how to get the engaging videos, how to make the videos engaging and all. Okay, so here I have taken one more example with respect to the YouTube, and here I have selected India, and the language is English. Okay, so now let's try to search. Okay, so it is searching with respect to the YouTube. Okay, so here you can see YouTube app, YouTube music and all. Okay, so here again you can find some 230 questions with respect to the YouTube. Okay, so this is how you can find the content, or you can get the content ideas whenever you want to create the content, or whenever you want to create the videos, and if you want to be a YouTuber. Okay, so this is how you can find the topics to make the videos of the content for YouTube, or it can be any other platform, like the platform where you upload the video and you create the content and you upload the content and you are a content creator. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.